Hey there, everyone. Hope y'all are doing well. Have another neat lock here. This is an American lock. It's a pretty interesting padlock. I think the body's made out of zinc, if I'm not mistaken. And the shackle's brass. I have a few more that have steel shackles on them. These, unlike most other American locks, do not have security pins. It looks to me like the core was pushed in from the bottom, and this looks like a two-piece core. I don't think the Bible goes all the way around there, and it looks like this was pushed in and then this pin here was driven down to hold it in place. I've never seen anything like this before. I have no idea what model this is or what these were used for or anything, but still a pretty neat lock to have. Key does not like to come out of there. Alright. Let's see what I want to use here. Oh, sorry about that. There's a lot of flop in these cores. Talk about an awkward position. Alright, that is a little better there. There we go. Alright. If anybody has any information about these things, I'd love to know more. But as for now, that's all, folks. Thanks, everyone. Take care.